Buongiorno, my loves. Good morning. I'm here on this beautiful morning doing my favorite thing because it's my birthday. That means I get to do all of my favorite things and I get to make a couple of wishes. So here are my wishes for my birthday. I am wishing for an army of mamas to come out here and clean up this mess. Because y'all, it's a mess. And you know, I believe very strongly in the 80-20 rule of 80% feeding the good, 20% correcting the bad. It's a mess. I don't usually talk about this, but we're not doing so well in a lot of ways. We are not treating each other with love and kindness. We are not accepting each other for all of the different beautiful things about us very well. And we're not doing a very good job of listening to each other. It's a mess. And I think that a big part of the reason why it's a mess is because we have forgotten one very simple thing, which is that we are all one big family. We are all brothers and sisters out here. And it seems like we have forgotten this. You know what mamas are really good at doing? They're really good at keeping the family together. It's what moms do. And I need an army of mamas to come out here and grab everyone by their ears and say, what are you doing? That is your brother. That is your sister. What are you doing? How are you loving each other? I don't care if you believe in different religions. I don't care if you come from different countries. I don't care what you look like on the outside. I don't care what your political parties are. What are you doing? That is your brother. That is your sister. Mother leaders are really good at this. We've had a lot of experience of making the children get along with each other. And I want for no mother leader ever to say again to me when I ask her what she does, to say with shame and derision and judgment that she is just a mom. Somewhere this world is creating a new leader for tomorrow. Somewhere some prime minister or president has been born this year. They are learning their first lessons of love and empathy and leadership from their mothers. How are we doing with that? How are we doing with supporting those mother leaders in this world? How's it working out for us? I am told all the time by my sisters around me and even my brothers that are acting like those mother leaders that are sacrificing for the family, that are taking care of everyone around them. I hear all the time with this shame in their voice, oh, I don't do anything, I'm just a mom. I would wish that they would stand up and say, I am just a mom. I work miracles every single day. I am a creator of life. I am your best hope for tomorrow. And that they would take their place on the stage of leaders of this world and come out here and fix this mess, because it's a mess. So that is my wish for my birthday today. I need an army of mamas. I need an army of mother leaders to come out here and help this family get along, because it's a mess. And we are absolutely just moms. And it's amazing. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy the sunrise, the glorious day that we have today. I'll see you tomorrow.